Hi everyone, David Lewis here. You have got to be kidding me. So let me take you back to the end of December. I get a call from a dealer who has a fairly large import dealership. They sell about 400 cars per month, new and used. He has 4 F&I managers, and one of his F&I managers had a vacation planned for the end of the month, and the other one had some sort of illness and was going to be out for the entire month of January. So we only had 2 F&I managers. So we asked if we could send one of our trainers to his dealership for 2 weeks to fill in. And we agreed on a price, and we sent the trainer out there. Now, obviously, we looked at this as an opportunity to eventually sell training if we did a good job. Now, the dealership was averaging about $1,600 per car in F&I, and that was a combination of new and used a little bit higher than new, but it was an average. And my trainer, while he was there, did $2,400 per car, give or take a few dollars. His service contract penetration was 17% greater than the other F&I managers. His profit per service contract was about $440 greater than the other managers, and he had some increases in some other aftermarket sales products. And I had chatted with him throughout the 2 weeks, and we just thought this was going to be a shoo-in, that we were going to sell this dealer training. Obviously, when you look at an increase of $800 over 400 units, that's hundreds of thousands of dollars. So at the end of 2 weeks, we sat down with the dealer, we shared the information, of course he was very pleased, and we presented training to him. And this was his answer. I don't believe in outside training. If my general sales manager and my general manager can't train them, then I have the wrong people in those positions. He doesn't believe in outside training. His general manager has been with him for 25 years. His general sales manager has been with him for 15 years. They only know what they know in their dealership, in their environment, in their market. He doesn't believe in outside training. You do the math. $800 increase on 400 units. And he doesn't believe in outside training. Doesn't want to risk the investment to make that kind of money. You've got to be kidding me. And we wonder why we're not making more money than we should be. Good luck, everyone.